particle is projected vertically downwards, speed 14 from point 30 meters across, so it's going down 14 meters per second, and it's 30 meters from the ground. First off, calculate speed when it reaches the ground. So I'm going to set it up with Stuva. You can use any other letters, you don't have to do it this way, but it just helps. S 30, T don't know, don't care, U is initially at 14, V is what I want to find, and the acceleration due to gravity 9.8. So I need the formula, don't care about T, formula without a T, and this will be V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. Put them in there. V squared equals 196 plus 2 times 9.8 times 30, and that equals, keep the V squared down, coming down to remind myself to square root it, 784, and so V equals 28 meters per second. Part 2, distance travelled by P in the first 0.4 seconds. Again, I'm going to set myself up with Stuva. It's asked me for the distance travelled, so S is going to be unknown. In the first 0.4 seconds, U is 14. Don't care about V. Acceleration is still going downwards, so it's positive 9.8. And I need the formula without the V in it, so that'd be S equals UT plus half AT squared. And so S equals 14 times by 0.4 plus 0.5 times 9.8 times 0.4 squared, and that gives me that S equals 6.384 meters. Part 3, calculate time taken for P to travel the final 15 meters of its descent. And so I've got set up Stuva, and I know that S is going to be 15, T, that's what I'm trying to find, and U don't care about. V I just worked out the part thing here, the final speed is 28, so that'll be 28, and that'll be 9.8. So I want the formula without the U, and some people may not know this, so I'll show you another way after this, but I would put S equals VT minus a half AT squared. It's the only one with a minus sign in it, and so S15 equals 28T minus 4.9 T squared. Put them all over to one side, so 4.9 T squared minus 28T plus 15 equals 0. Quadratic, so T equals minus B, so that's 28 plus or minus the square root of minus B, well that's negative 28 squared, so I'm just going to put down 28 squared, minus 4 times A, which is 4.9, times C, which is 15, all over 2 times 4.9, and that gives me T equals 5.1159, or T equals 0.59837. And pretty obviously, given it's only 30 meters and it takes 4 seconds, 0.4 of a second, it's not going to be 5 seconds. So it's going to be that. So T equals 0.59837. But we could have done, so I put down or, we could have used V squared equals U squared plus 2AS to get 28 squared equals U squared plus 2 times 9.8 times 15. U squared equals 490. U equals 22.1359. And then put that, so now I'd know what U is, and now I could use V equals U plus AT, and that will eventually give me exactly the same. It can be straight to being 5.864 over 9.8, and that gives us 0.59837. I suppose technically here I could have got u is that plus or minus, and that would be the other one. But that'll do it for question 1.